Mr. and Mrs. Paul, I'm pleased to report that Ham has made significant progress in his speech therapy sessions. His articulation has improved significantly, and he's communicating more effectively.
That's wonderful news, Mihira. We're so proud of his progress.
I'm impressed with Ham's dedication and hard work. He's been practicing his speech exercises at home, and it's paying off.
We've been encouraging him to practice regularly. It's been challenging, but we've seen a big difference.
It's important to continue practicing at home to reinforce the skills learned in therapy. I recommend scheduling regular follow-up sessions to monitor his progress and address any new challenges that may arise.
Mihira, will there be any long-term effects from his speech delay?
While it's difficult to predict the future, with consistent therapy and practice, Ham should be able to catch up to his peers and develop age-appropriate communication skills.
Thank you for your support and guidance. We're hopeful that Ham will continue to make progress. Mihira, I understand you're concerned about this foot issue, but please know that it's often not a severe problem and is actually quite common. The good news is that it's usually very treatable. We have a few options we can consider to help clear it up. Often, we start with antifungal medications that you apply directly to the skin as a cream. These work well for many people. If the topical creams don't seem to be doing the trick, or if the infection is more widespread, we might consider oral antifungal medications. We'll monitor how you're responding to the treatment and make sure we find the best approach to get your foot feeling healthy again.